Meaning of espresso.
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 Espresso. Espresso is a type of coffee that originated in Italy. It is made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans under high pressure, resulting in a small, concentrated shot of coffee with a rich and bold flavor. The process of making espresso requires a special machine called an espresso machine, which heats the water to near boiling temperatures and forces it through the coffee grounds at high pressure. The resulting shot of espresso can be enjoyed on its own or used as the base for other popular coffee drinks like lattes and cappuccinos.